Hello, this is Dan Alford with ARC Specialties. It's April 1st, 2022. Every year, right around this time, we come up with some of our most creative new inventions. This year is no exception. Everybody knows that welding is hot, dirty, and dangerous. It also requires a great deal of skill and a lot of expensive equipment. There's got to be a better way. That's why we developed electric glue. The secret to electric glue is we add trace quantities of antimatter to each can. Electric glue works on all solid materials. Today we're going to be joining ultra-high purity unobtainium. The process is simple. You simply spray electric glue on both surfaces of the joint. You place the joint in the fixture, then you sprinkle our proprietary electric glue weld powder onto the part. You download our free application onto any Android or iPhone. Make sure your phone has at least 50% charge. Insert standard earbuds into the standard audio jack. You launch the electric glue application, select either permanent or temporary weld. To confirm that the electric glue application is operating properly, place the earbuds approximately 2 inches apart. When you're ready to make the actual weld, you place the earbuds on opposite sides of the part. You launch the electric glue application, select permanent weld. Electric glue then joins the parts on a subatomic level, producing excellent high-strength welds. The electrons emitted from the electric glue application through the earbuds are absorbed directly into the crystalline structure of the unobtainium, creating a strong and permanent bond. After welding is finished, you simply brush away any residue. We x-rayed this part and it looked like one piece of metal. Then we tested it on our strengthometer. This part went to 11, which is ludicrous strong. Electric glue is going to make all other welding process obsolete. Leave your comments below if you think this amazing new invention is simply too good to be true. Warning, when using the electric glue application on your phone, never place earbuds in your ears.